Hello guys, this is Tonica Sound and today we look at the project Kryder Fast Eddie Get Funky. Let's go! All as usual, these sounds can be found on Splice. You can hear vintage drums. The basis of the sounds is taken from old school samples. Basically, everything is simple. Layering of different parts. You can see two layers of bass. The sound processing of two layers is the same. There is only one difference. Bass mono has one voices and bass stereo has two voices and the tune. Also, don't forget to remove the low frequency from the stereo bass. Okay, let's move on to bass synthesis. And so, wave saw, one voices, rhetoric, and the octave -1. Next, mod envelope 1, send to cutoff A and B, and adjust filter A. What need to do? Filter type low pass, small drive, input select A, and you can see low pass 24 decibels. You can see my favorite processing chain, and you already know how effective it is. The glue here to smooth out the hour bass. For this effect you need set attack to minimum, a short release, and compress to 5 decibels.